Hi, I'm Neil at Italia Autos, and in this video I'm going to be doing a quick repair on an Alfa Romeo 156. So let's have a look around it and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. This is a customer's Alfa 156. He's had a bit of a knock in it, just on the front wing, and cracked the front bumper. So what I'm going to be doing is repainting another front bumper, hopefully repairing the dent in this wing. And I've also started repairing a few little dinks on the wing up here. So what we're going to be doing is painting the front bumper and the wing, and then blending the bonnet into the front of the car. So I'm hoping this one's going to be a nice quick single episode video. As I've done so much paint work now, I am just going to probably skip through a lot of the paint work and the prep work and just show you the refitting, so it gives you an idea of what to do. So yeah, hopefully you like the video. Please subscribe if you like what you see, and let me crack on with this job now. Right, let's have a look at this damage a bit closer now. We've got good access to the front and the rear of the panel. Some might say, well, why don't you just fit a new wing? Mainly because 156s, they're a pain in the backside to remove, and 9 times out of 10 nowadays they're all really rusty. This wing is actually really good condition, apart from this damage here and a few dinks. So I think it's probably better on this situation. Even though the wing is going to have a bit of filler in the front of it, it's going to look better at the end by filling the wing rather than replacing the wing. So that's the reason behind it. The customer is perfectly happy with me doing this approach to it. So let's try and get the dents out of this wing a little bit more now. A little bit of time working a little bit more shape back into that wing. We've got rid of most of the dent now. We're not going to get rid of a lot of the dent because it was just going to crease the metal, but at least it's sort of back in the right sort of shape now. So what we can do now is give it a rub down and put some filler on it, and hopefully we can get it to look like new again. Got a high spot here, so I'm just going to get a hammer and just a chisel just to chisel that in a bit. Okay, now I'm just going to fit this bit of the bumper just so I can get a good line on there. Okay, that's not too bad of a fit. Obviously the bumper is out of shape because it was already broken. But it's not a bad fit. I've just got a little bit more filler work to do, and then we are ready for primer. Okay, right, the second layer of filler is now dry. I'm just going to give it a light going over with the orbital sander just to get rid of any high spots, and then I'm going to switch to sanding it by hand with a long block just so I can make sure it's all nice and smooth. Right, it's now the next morning after it's been painted. Let's have a look at it. Seems pretty good so far. It is going to need a cut and polish, as always with my paintwork. A couple of little bits have dropped in it, but they will flat out. A couple of runs I've got out of it because I was putting a bit too much lacquer on. But we should be able to sand those out. There's some each side here where there's a build-up around there. And we should be able to get rid of that. There's a bit here as well, so I am naughty. I've got quite a few runs in this bumper, to be honest. But once it's polished, hopefully it'll be perfectly flat. So the next thing to see is how good is the colour match. Almost spot on from the look of it. Looks a little bit darker, but that would be because this paint is all dirty and dusty at the moment. So once they've both been polished and cut, they should look very nice indeed. So let's get the rest of the masking tape off this and we'll get it outside. There we go, job done. Paint's come out really nice. Everything fits pretty well. The bumper could do with a little bit more adjustment here. But yeah, colour match is absolutely spot on again. All blended and matches well. A few little areas I want to nip and polish again, but other than that, it is another good paint job done. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.